Excuse me.
Can I help you?
Jill has a fever, cough, a cocum, peanut bee flu. What's the sour?
Uva grape syrup and Betacane for colds and coughs. Pembracol can ISO Betacane. I charge to the rules of us 3 times a day. Missing spawn.
Well, the Huva grape syrup. How much is it?
20,000 rupiah.
Here is the money.
Happy son, get well son.
Thank you.